Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, east central Denver County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. At 3:41 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Manila Village, or 21 miles east of Denver, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Arapahoe.
As it's
Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
East central Denver County and northeastern Colorado.
Northeastern Denver, Aurora, Southern Denver International Airport, Bennett, Watkins, Manila Village, Arapahoe Park, Strasburg, and Buckley SFB.
Was located 4 miles.
Moved to an
Humanity
interior
and the
room on
prime
the lowest
of
floor of
attention.
a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and there is a flash flood warning in effect for the same area. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
It's not finding. And move to an that's bigger than game. That explain playing with kids. So I think it's a better definition because it captures the full spectrum. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has